Then release a little bit of air. Tie that knot. Stretch the balloon out so it doesn't pop on you when you're folding. Alright. Over here you got the face of the butterfly twist. Cross over, you want the body. Twist again. Alright. So you got the head right here, and you got the body. Fold this in the center, we're going to make the wings. Find the center, twist. Give it a nice twist right there, go this way, and on the other wing, go the other way. So they don't unravel. Next, you are going to fold these in the center. Give it another twist. Lots of twisting here, guys. Good. So then you got, find the body, or the body and the face. The face is the smaller one. Where you have the face, you're going to twist about that much of the wing. Not exactly the center. Leave the bottom one with more. Give it a nice twist right there. And do the same on the other wing. Give it about 2-3 twists. Fold them together like that. You have the face right here, the body again, and the two wings right here side by side. And you are going to, this is the hard part and the last part. You're going to fold them together. And you're going to give it a twist. Help it and pull apart a little bit. Just like that. And there you have it. You might have to straighten it out a little. But what you have is the two big wings. Stop it, Boozles. And then you have the wings. So there you go. You're going to find your marker. And you're going to draw two eyes. Go, stop bumping there, I'm recording. Two eyes right here. And then a smiley face. So there you have it. You got a beautiful butterfly for kids' parties.